and Miss Sally going out for supper.
Mater. All right, then. See you soon, amigo. On him. See you at the race.
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
Lightning McQueen!
Today.
And then sliding, baby.
10-4, Mater.
Just brought to a screeching halt.
Lightning McQueen is the first to take advantage. And just like that, folks, keep it up. Everyone's jostling. A little too much chatter. Let's keep this line clear.
What? Oh, Brent, that was a bonehead.
Stop it, Mater. Just sign off. Toward the casino bridge. Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner. Just something I had made up for the occasion.
It's a good McQueen, man.
Wish me luck.